So this is just how hard the ground is out here in Arizona. Let me show you what's going on here.
Voices.
Yeah, you're hearing voices.
Yeah. Well, see.
I'm videotaping you trying to get through this dirt.
Thanks.
So hard, so solid that even his backhoe has a really difficult time digging it. That's the reason why he had to break out the jackhammer. Tired? Sore? Both?
Ow. Sharp dirt in my feet.
Smile!
Ow. Not like there's a lot of room down here.
Well, I think you've seen enough. You can see how tough the ground is, especially once you get down a little bit deeper, maybe. But yeah, this thing really has a hard time. This light of a backhoe has a hard time digging in this stuff. You have to have something a little bit heavier. Anyhow, thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video.